Mad Maxy logo? Would you?
Oh, wherever you want it.
Well, yeah. Are you serious?
I'm so serious. I'll get it done tomorrow.
What? I'm riding the R1. Oh, it's good, baby. I'm riding the R1 NITROUS. Yeah, it's pretty fucky. The T-Force is on Jane's 400, and we're gonna go for a little ride. I'm obviously gonna. Hey, Jixer J, you lead. All right. Oh! Oh, wow. Yeah, it is. I stalled it already. Holy fuck. Holy monkeys. This bike is dope. This bike is dope. Yo, this is like the bike that, dude, it doesn't feel much different being extended swing arm. I'm about to go. Oh yeah, clear fucking visor, dude. Dude, shout out G-Force for hooking this bike up so I can ride around on it, dude. This bike is a serious. What do you? Dude, this clear visor's R1 NITROUS dope. It's not NITROUS though. We gotta fill the NITROUS bottle. And I've already been trolled for that in the past. I can't use the NITROUS clickbait word unless it's actually filled with NITROUS. Go Jixer J, go! Go Jixer J, go! Jixer J. Dude, this feels sick. Oh, feed me, your rappers are feed me beat. Holy fuck! Well done, Nardo. What is with this machine, dude? It should not be legal, but it is. The Kirk rolling out. He's got the wheelies down. Smells like marijuana. Yeah, this is my shit. Yeah, this is my shit. This is my shit. I love this bike. Yeah, that's my shit. That's my shit. This bike feels shorter up front than the R6 was. Dope bike here, G-Force. Much love. This bike is sick. Dude, this thing's crazy!
Haven't even gotten on it yet.
I know.
Keep your RPM high.
Yeah? Where do you want to go?
I mean, it's just further up.
Alright. Dude, this thing would be a wheelie machine without the extended swing arm. Holy shit! It's John Phenom! This thing's nuts, huh? This thing's crazy! Holy shit! G-Force, this thing's got some nuts on it. Clearly it's a nut knocker, dude! What? Baby, this is that shit I like, dude. I'm stoked to get this bike. It's nuts, huh?
What's up?
This thing's quite a bit faster.
Yeah, R1 600.
Yeah.
Can't keep up. That thing's nasty.
Yeah, dude. Holy shit. We should probably turn around. think I might be more of a fan of the R1 than the R6 after I get done with this. Holy shit, monkeys! Holy shit, monkeys, G-force. Jesse, this thing's nuts, man. You got the right bike, and it's well dialed. Let's see if it can wheelie. That's still my question. I've never wheelied an extended bike. It got dark. Damn, I'm on a drag bike, bruh. One thing I'm noticing though is these bikes stay very planted. Watch. Just power slides. He saw that one. Little fishtail, huh? It was like, woo! I hate this night riding, honestly. Hey! Let's go around. Let's go around him. Gixxer J though, I can wheel the shit out of that bike. Gixxer J, you ain't gonna touch this thing, dude. It's a fucking stretched R1, bro. It's very difficult. As long as I shift this right, it's kind of hard to match this year and beat it. K5 Gixxer 1000 should get close, but the feeling of this bike is instantaneous power. Take off whenever you want. These are bad roads, dude. You know, doing it in drag races at night is one thing. Doing drag races at night on back roads with woods is the cherry on top, for sure. But yeah, one thing's for certain. I love doing fucking wheelies. Bro, you ain't gonna beat this, bro. Also come into their lane a little bit. It's a scare tactic. It's the way I solidify my wins every time, baby. Here we go. Now we have a nice little split highway. Now I'm feeling. Now I'm a little more comfortable. This is dope. Your camera's not recording.
Huh?
It's not recording, bro.
It should have been.
What is that on there?
What? The mount? It's a unibin.
This might be my favorite superbike of all time. I don't know until it has a short wheelbase because I love wheelies. I love power wheelies a lot, dude, and you can't get much better than an R6, and I would assume you can't get much better than the R1, baby. It feels like it has all the juice it needs. I mean, that is a wheelie king of a bike, one Honda, but besides that, it gets way too cold outside when the sun goes down. I don't know what to do. I'll blow a bag a day. I blow a bag a day. Dude, this bike is wicked.
Yeah, I can't fuck with that.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Now, with somebody riding that, you on this is like, but that's newer.
I want to do a wheelie on that.
On this or on that?
On that.
That red light don't fuck with you.
I mean, it really doesn't feel much different than a shorter base bike in terms of just like quickly maneuvering it. Yeah, it's a bit bigger for sure. I don't know where I'm going. I love how I'm leaning this pack. I have no idea where I am. Absolutely no clue. That's Ashmods! Oh gosh! I just want to jam this throttle every chance I get. Just this thing's nuts, man. I want one. I need one. It just feels like an R6 on fucking steroids at all. Nardo! Nardo! Dude, that bike looks really good. For being totaled, it looks brand new. Mad Maxy logo?
Fuck yeah.
Would you?
Bro, wherever you want it.
Well, yeah. Are you serious?
Bro, I'm serious. I got the bike plate on right here.
Dude.
Bro, wherever you want it, let me know.
Shut the fuck up.
Bro, I'm so serious. I'll get it done tomorrow.
What?
Bro, I've been watching you for fucking, I don't even know how long, dude.
I might be down for one. Dude, that means a lot, man. Thank you.
Bro, you fucking mean a lot, bro. Every day, it's fucking, I see Maxy video pop up.
That's true. That's true.
The fact that you're right fucking next to me on a bike, it's fucking sick.
Thank you, man. You have no idea. I appreciate it. To a million.
Bro, I don't know what I do. Like, it's fucking, there were so many bullshit riders on YouTube, and I found y'all.
Thank you. Did we keep you waiting?
Huh?
Did we keep you waiting?
Did you keep me waiting?
Yeah.
I'm good, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, and I called.
Dude, this thing's fucking nuts.
What is that? Switchboard, bro?
Nitrous.
Oh, that's the switchboard?
It switched it from horn to the nitrous.
So what were you saying? You were trying to follow me, you cut the car off? Or?